Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Tang Khadc snem hadin bakibor Pyniaid district karib hoy kiladab an Khang Khyrdop ya Khyrdop Khrong Khajna Biang jo executive committee barim ke East Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council ha Umdihar hanrei hakini Khadc sngi lami thamai Biang sa Kawei ka Khyrdop Khrong Khajna jong Khadc ha po ka jingalam jong EC sing Voice of the People Party ha ka tehi ka jo ko jaka kabadon harut jong Surok ba National Highway 6 Hadian bakladon gajing ujor persya ketika Khyrdop Khrong Khajna kabala penyeng bian kibor Pyniaid district karib hoy mentaka sngi ka khandri tarik ujemang kilalet ban Khang Tala no ya ketika Khyrdop haringkat gajing senran lang jo kibor pulit habayo banya kanan bu deputy commissioner karib hoy u Abilash Baranwal ulai thu ba kinu kitna trekam sarkar lane ka Khadc ru kamna satya ban bu Khyrdop Khrong Khajna ha ki Surok ba National Highway lane ki state highway ru kumjo Krem dayo ya ka jingbet ka Biang na gibor badai khmi. Ulay thu ru kumba ka tega Khyrdop ka bala penyeng ha Umdihar ru kam day satya ka bala yo jingbet na gibor badai khmi. Kumta tang mare yo jing ujor gibor Pyniaid district lahyar ban Khang Tala no mar ya ka tega Khyrdop.
has come up in Umdihar on the national highway, and apparently the check gate belongs to Khadc. However, as per the government rules, no check gate of any department can come up over national highway or state PWD roads without adequate permission and NOC from the competent authority. So that's why when we received complaints and since there was a news report, we had to close it down.